After selecting the web host, which I chose the SiteGround application as my web host, the next step in the process would be to come up with a FTP program, which is a bridge that gets your files from your local computer up to the website, so you can start building it up and getting it to look like you want it to look like. I had been using FileZilla for over 5 years and it worked fine, but before I got into this idea of starting my own business, I decided to download another one that was free, and it's called Cyberduck, just to try it out. So I had it on my PC desktop for, I would say, several months before I even had to use it for anything. I was able to get it working. I haven't used it in a week, maybe 2 weeks, and everything was working fine. And then I was prompted to get the latest version, which I did, because sometimes what it does is it'll self-populate fields and you don't have to go back and look up previous information. So like, say for example, right now, since I upgraded it, it starts from scratch. So I don't have this information already in here, and these are 3 things that are needed. So what I decided to do to safeguard myself in the future was to create a file, put what the server name is, the username, and the password in, and that way, once this thing does what it does just now again, I'll have that information at hand. Because right now I'm kind of like shooting blanks. I'm thinking that it could be this or it could be that, but I'm not quite sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here and go through several different things and see if something catches fire. So that one didn't work. Okay, looks like I got it working. Not quite sure how that happened, because I had put the username in and it automatically put in the password, but that's good enough for me. So now this is a free program, but typically when you exit out of it, it'll ask you if you like to donate some money. Now most programs that have that feature built into them are legitimate companies that just like to have a few dollars here and there for their troubles, which I don't see anything wrong with that. So maybe one of these days I'll get around to giving this company some money. And I'm not sure, but I think it also has like a paid version. But if the free version does what I want it to do, I'll just stick with the free version. So I'm going to exit out, and you see it says donate later and buy in Windows Store. So I'm going to continue to hit later to give myself the option to pay for it at another time. So if I go back into Cyberduck and I try to access that same functionality that I just had, hopefully, yeah, it looks like it's already populated. So if I hit Open Connect, it should have, well, it doesn't have everything filled in, but I'm surprised it doesn't. Oh, it was already, I think I'm already connected. Yeah. Am I connected? Let me see something. Yeah, because according up here it says www.brooksbuilders@philadelphia.com at brooksbuilders@philadelphia, and then it has the server name. So I'm assuming I'm good to go as far as that's concerned. And since I got this far, I figure I might as well demonstrate what it looks like for an individual file to be uploaded. You hit this button, here it says upload, and then you have to identify what the file is or where it is. And I'm just going to grab this guy here, and it's uploading. This is what the upload process looks like. Now, when I start really getting into this design, I'm going to be uploading like multiple files and going through this a lot. But this is a simple procedure of what it looks like. And you also have the option to download files as well. Let me see something here. Yeah, so like say this is the index file here, and that was on the 30th of August that was last done. So if I wanted to, I could download this file by saying download, and so you can either upload or you can download. You have the choice.